Welcome! In this video, we will show you how MetaDrug can be used for the evaluation of pharmacological effects and side effects of drugs using Vioxx as an example. Vioxx, also known as reficoxib, is a cyclogenase 2 inhibitor that was approved for arthritis, but later withdrawn due to cardiotoxicity. Repositioning showed that the drug also has anti-neoplastic activity, and it may be useful for the treatment of various cancers. Let us see if we can assess these properties in silico by using MetaDrug. To find the structure, we can type reficoxib into our search tool and click on the compound name from the search result. This opens a compound detail page where we can see all annotations collected for this drug, such as vendors, therapeutic properties, targets, the activity, and other information. To start our analysis, we need to click on this button to upload the structure into MetaDrug. The first step of the MetaDrug wizard allows us to select settings for metabolite calculation. The second step lets us set a similarity threshold and select QSAR models that we want to apply. After a minute of calculations, we can access our results by clicking on the compound name. The MetaDrug report contains the structure, the predicted metabolites, the QSAR model results, similar compounds, and the possible targets. This table lists 3 targets. To understand how they were produced by MetaDrug, we need to take a look at the table which shows the input structure and similar compounds found in the database that pass the similarity threshold. These numbers correspond to the Tanimoto coefficients that show how similar the database compounds are to the input molecule. Known targets of the similar compounds and the input molecule are listed in this column. You can click on each link to get the literature evidence that supports this information. Here we could see reference details, measured activity values, and selectivity ratios towards COX-2. You see that in this study with the chosen similarity threshold, we work only with the known reficoxib targets as the compound itself was found by the similarity search. To suggest what pathways and processes that may be affected by the studied compound, as well as any indications and side effects it may have, we go to the enrichment analysis section. Performing the analysis, MetaDrug matches identified compound targets to objects annotated for functional categories and prioritizes them according to p-value. GeneGo pathway maps show pain processing, prostaglandin metabolism, and immune response as the most significant pathways, which is in line with the reficoxib's mode of action. GeneGo process networks include platelet aggregation, the process that contributes to reficoxib's cardiotoxicity. Amongst the most represented diseases, we can find arthritis, which is the primary indication for Vioxx, and cancers, which is the secondary indication for this drug. Thank you for your attention.